Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Hidayati and you can call me Naila. I'm from EAP 67. Introduction is the best example of procedure text. Remember that procedure text is mostly organized in goal, material, and steps. To write procedure text, we have to very familiar with interactive sentence. And this is why a procedure text is also called interaction text. And this time, I will tell you how to use microwave. When you want to heat food or drink with a microwave, you need the following things.
Plate, non-metal plate. Food. How to cook with a microwave oven? Here are the steps. 1. Wash your hands. Remember to be clean before cooking. Then, connect to the electrical supply. After that, put the food into the microwave. Don't forget to decide how long it will heat the food. Press the button to start heating the food. Wait for the beep sound. It indicates the cooking process is done. Finally, take out the food and enjoy it. Don't forget to wash hands after cleaning the working area.
Okay, this is all for me. If any mistakes, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching.